In the process of rotating winding of the diamond steel wire, the curvature of the circumference and the expansion coefficient of the closing ring are uncontrollable, showing a free state. The length of the number of turns is proportional to the control of the gap. The longer the number of turns, the greater the error value, the greater the gap difference. Therefore, the number of turns above RD is more affected by uncontrollable factors. The main reasons for affecting the uneven clearance of the steel wire thread insert are as follows. 1. Selection of raw materials. 2. Precision control of drawing. 3rd, linearity of the wire. 4th, high-end precision grinding tools. The selection of raw materials of large steel mills are selected, and the processing of raw materials is closely related to the subsequent rolling, and the stability of good wire is higher. The consistency is stronger. The processing is easier. The drawing accuracy of raw materials and the processing technology are the most basic guarantee for solving the gap problem of wound thread insert. The drawing accuracy of diamond line is controlled. The control of diamond steel wire precision is the most critical process to determine the forming of the thread insert. The high precision wire rolling machine can ensure the size control of the diamond cross section. The original process control accuracy is 0 mm so that the processing of the thread insert, because of the uneven section size or angle deviation, the production of the thread insert gap is large and small. Xing channeling through the development of a new mill wheel effectively control the accuracy of 0.003 mm. More strict production control to ensure the stability of diamond wire. The higher the dimensional accuracy of the mold surface, the easier it is to control the clearance problem during production. Linearity of wire. Linear steel wire molding directly affects whether the gap is uniform. Linear tension is large. The accuracy of the rebound is poor. The length of each rebound and the length of the wire will be inconsistent, resulting in a variety of problems. In the gap of the thread insert, linear detection requires the coil to sag naturally after cutting. Accurate control of the angle of deflection at both ends to ensure the stable linearity of the rolling process has more stringent requirements. Channeling has strict implementation standards for the size detection and physical property test of raw materials to ensure that the linear stability of diamond steel wire. High precision tooling in the production and processing of the thread insert. The tooling die is the last step of the thread insert forming. The original process is the mandrel thread, processed by the grinder after the manual grinding wheel. The mandrel thread after processing is inconsistent, and the depth, angle and level of the thread teeth cannot be effectively controlled. In the production process, the mismatch between the diamond steel wire and the mandrel will cause many problems. Thread teeth to skew, roll teeth, uneven winding, expansion deformation, and uneven clearance. Channeling metal introduced advanced 3D modeling technology, engraving, mandrel thread and spiral angle to ensure the unity of the mandrel so that the thread teeth are more uniform. The tooth angle is more accurate so that the diamond line and the tooling fit better. More effective control of the gap problem. In short, to ensure the stability of all processes, in order to make the gap of the wire thread insert product more uniform and more stable, each link is crucial.